What's up, guys?
Hey.
I'm playing Roblox with my friend Corbin.
Hey.
We are playing Murder Mystery. He's actually with me in the same room this time. Oh yeah, and we'll show you this later, but this really weird girl called Pinklite1234. She's saying that if I still like her, I never liked her. Why? See, look, if you look right here, see, look, why do you something so much? We are just friends. See what I'm gonna text back to her?
So, you've already seen me on this channel. Like, I was in the same game, but you haven't seen me in real life. Hey, Nat.
Hey, what you doing?
Well, we're just playing a game.
Cool.
We're videoing right now.
What's wrong with that?
We're videoing you right now.
Woo! Sorry,
Wait, I think she left the game.
You sure?
Yeah. She's not in the game. Is she still in the game?
Goodness.
As you know, wait, she's still recording.
I'm still recording now.
As you know, we have the same knife.
Well, yeah, because he was begging me to give him a sear.
Now give it to me.
And I just gave it to him. See, goodness that. Okay, do not. Sorry,
so you can secret spot on one of the maps.
Don't go over to the account Pinklite1234 and then tell her that I like her, because that is not true. I have a girlfriend, and it is not
I have
her.
a Valentine's gift for him so he can give to her. So yeah, I come on Valentine's Day tomorrow.
Well, it is. I should have.
I still need to get a Valentine's Day.
Hold on, just a second. I'm gonna do something a little bit Valentine's themed.
Oh crap! Innocent again?
I don't know what I got. Oh, I got innocent. I am going to put on something. My hat. I think I have something.
Oh crap!
I think. Is that kind of Valentine's Day? I don't know.
No, don't put it on. Don't put it on.
No. Whatever. I'm not gonna do that. Sorry.
Oh, you spawned in there?
Yeah. It's actually a really good spot.
Please fix it.
It's him. It's Tasmat.
How do you know that?
Because he dropped down as soon as I heard a knife.
Wait, where are you? I almost maybe in the cinema room.
Yeah, it's her. Okay. She was AFK though, so thank goodness for that.
What does that mean?
It means away from keyboard, but I don't know if she's playing on. The thing that I don't like about saying AFK is that what if the person is on mobile? Then what do you say?
I have no idea.
Oh, she's actually still killing people, so
really?
I think I heard her.
Let's say it behind the door.
Let me in. You have to be in first person.
Yeah, I mean.
I have 150, but I can't buy anything.
You have 286.
I'm kind of saving up for
108. Yes, I'm buying the box. Weapons.
I'm not buying any coins today because I don't want to get tempted and just spend all my Robux trying to get a godly out of one of these.
How do you create things? I'm getting the brown knife. No. I have the aqua and brown.
My friend just opened. Okay, so my friend has got Sear, Fade, Blue Steel, Doge, Snowflake, 8-Bit, Alex, Aqua, Bleached, Brown, Cherry, Cold, Dennis, Eco, Fallout, Ice, News, Sketchy, Stainless, Static, Sub, and Wrapped.
And some candies.
Yeah, I don't have any candies.
How do you create things?
Go to inventory. And then it'll say crafting station.
Where?
Press view. Where? Right there. It's like in big writing right there. View. Press view. View. And then when you press view, it'll bring you to this. I don't like. I know that I have to salvage my seer, but I don't want to do that because I will not get it back. And I don't know how in the world you get those things.
Wait, how-
and that girl was just a murderer, and she walked right past us.
I know. Wait, what can I create? I want
You
to
can't create
something.
anything.
Why?
Oh wait. Oh, Cohen, you need one more rare shard to create a random legendary weapon.
Okay, I have to get a shard.
I have a lot. Oh wait, no.
I have to get one.
I don't have enough.
We're gonna survive here for the whole game.
Dude, don't push me, cause
Yes, we survived.
Dude, if there wasn't that much time left, then guess what would have happened?
What?
My arm was actually going through the wall, so this girl right here, the girl who was murderer,
I got uncommon
she
shards
could
and
have
rare metal.
stabbed my arm.
Oh, rare
Rare
metal.
metal. Wait, is that the one? Oh wait, no, you need
I
rare
have to get
shards.
Rare shards. Don't worry.
I wish you could trade
I get them
shards.
every time. Wait, where is it?
It's very rare
Let's
for
just
me
go
to
to
get
Mill Base.
shards.
Let's go to Mill Base.
If you guys don't know who this guy is, it's Xyleek, the creator of the game and maps. Well, it was also made by the guy on the little fountain right here. He's another one of the creators, but
Once I went to Murder Mystery with my friend.
the lobby
with
was
my
created
cousin.
by Xyleek.
I'm sheriff, guys.
Oh my god, my friend is here.
I'm a horrible sheriff, so if I die, just pick up my gun.
Or you can just reset and then I'll get the gun.
Cause I'm
But
really,
don't reset.
I'm a really bad sheriff.
Oh, keep out the gun, just in case.
Someone laughed at me because I was such a bad sheriff. And last night,
What?
I got into Roblox
Hmm.
and I was the sheriff all the time, and I wasn't murderer once.
If you
Sheriff
want to
and
know
murder,
what I
that's all I
do in
want.
my spare time at Millbase when I'm innocent, this is what I do.
Get the flip away from me.
I just sit right here.
I'll shoot you in the damn head.
And then I will say, hello, anyone in?
Stay away, suckers.
Hello, anyone in there? I would usually just do that in my spare
I'll shoot
time.
you, Zeki. I'll shoot you.
I'm not the murderer.
I know.
Someone just said lol. Yes. I don't know who that is. Totally. How come you can't talk to me? When she comes up, she has sparkles, so you know where she's going. I'm gonna spectate my friend so you guys can see
Oh my god.
where he is.
Oh crap.
Okay, so this is my friend right now. He's trying to shoot the murderer.
Why?
Failing. And I died right when I was climbing up, so you guys can see my dead body right now. It's like right over there. The mic audio isn't really good.
No, I died!
Dude, you're gonna break the computer.
No,
Yes, you are.
I damn died.
This mic isn't very good.
Christ's sake.
Hi, Marlene. Honey.
She has 2 knives in her hands.
2 knives. Oh yeah, hold on, I'll just show you this right real quick so you can know that they're not cheating. Right here, dual your knife, current knife. So this means that you can have 2 knives.
I know. Literally sounds like a dead body.
Wait, is she serious? Does she seriously have 2 knives?
Yeah.
Tina's. What? Oh wait, no, that's not the girl.
Let's sit on the thing on the
Alright, Molly.
Mom.
Oh yeah, she bought the dual one. Then she bought the dual.
She bought the iPhone.
Talia, put her out.
You can't buy one.
The
The only one that you can buy.
I'm a horrible sheriff, by the way, guys. Horrible.
He says that he is. But
No one's worse than me.
no one's worse than him. You see, look right here, Icewing.
I don't need that.
Costs 2,499.
Really?
Yep.
Okay, I'm saving up for Robux.
Leave us alone!
I've coin medal. Wait,
Can you
your
get me?
girlfriend, is she in there?
No. Oh my god, now there's noobs surrounding me. Not you.
Do you know
It's this one guy who doesn't know how to get through the thing when you clearly do it in first person sideways, when you think that your whole body can feel like that. Nuh-uh.
Once I had Robux, I bought this face. I bought it.
It's
Okay.
actually free.
No, cause when I went on the first time I played Roblox, oh my gosh, I have to FaceTime. What do you want from me? Bye.
I wish you guys could see that. His sister just looked at him weirdly, and then he said, "What do you want? Bye."
Like, what do you want from me? Bye.
If you guys want to know why I just paused this, I saw the murderer like right there. He almost threw the knife at me. I know it's the blue guy. I almost just got killed.
We're not.
I wish you guys could see what just happened right now.
It's hilarious. So my sister just FaceTimed me. I was like, what do you want from me? Bye. I hang up from him. We have the same name. We have the same
I
name.
kind of want to use circuit, but no.
Can you give me that predator gun?
No, absolutely not. It's not like I can use this block in my shirt right here. No, don't check out my underwears. Wait. Yeah.
Wait, you use an Xbox controller?
It's not an Xbox, it's PC.
Imagine that was a Mac.
I'm gonna come to you. Dude, stay in the room. Yeah, that's it.
Hey guys, what's this? What do you want from me? Bye. That's what I did before.
No. Coleman, they can only see what's on the screen right now.
Oh, come on. I wish you guys can say that.
That's why I really wish I had a face cam. And that blue guy's still trying to kill people.
Stop calling me.
Grandma's here and she's got a present for you.
What is it?
LeBron James!
Yeah, you wish.
LeBron James.
LeBron James!
She's got chocolates for you, but you're gonna have to wait till she comes home. Till you come home.
Okay, bye.
Hold on.
I got common medal.
Hold on.
Can you just trade me?
LeBron James! Hold on. What's this?
Licky.
LeBron James! Wait, no, you just said that. Are you trying to help me? Ew. Dude.
No!
This blue guy who was a murderer, he sucks at being a murderer. I think he's playing on phone because he sucked. He didn't even know how to go up the stairs. He thought we were some kind of hackers. When clearly he just used stairs.
Innocent.
Oh my god, I wish my luck would turn up like all my other videos
Licky,
did.
let's go in our secret hiding spot. When I was murderer, I could actually see through it. I could see through your hiding spot.
No, you couldn't.
I could. I wasn't lying.
No, you couldn't.
I could.
I was right out in the open. I wasn't actually in the hiding spot because how many coins did you have when you
I don't know. I didn't check.
model? Oh, well, you wouldn't have had 1,003,123 coins because it's the same girl.
I'm out. I'm going back in the hiding spot.
I think she's chasing me, maybe.
Don't go in the hiding spot. Don't.
I am.
Dummy.
Dumbass.
It's like,
Oh.
you're just a dumbass.
So?
It's a shit all the time.
I wish I could blur that out, but I don't know how to edit.
I didn't get anything. Why?
I need to turn on. Oh.
Wait, how did it end? So fast.
Oh, the sheriff shot the murderer.
No, the sheriff died.
Oh, then